Hi, my name is Scott Ryerson. I'm with MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. I'm going to do a video walkthrough of our new 2021 Mastercraft X24. We just got this new Mastercraft in. It's got the blue metal flake with the black outside hull. I'm going to take you up onto the boat so I can take you through all the great features of this boat. Starting right off with the fiberglass swim deck with the sea deck on it. On the back here we have the transom stereo remote, so when you're hanging out back here in this seat you can control the stereo from back here. It's a really cool feature. And since we're back here, I'll go ahead and take you through. We got these awesome rear facing seats with this new flip out footrest. Also, you can flip up the back so you got full recliner action while you're out on the water. It's a really cool feature. Coming on through the boat, this boat is fully equipped with the black Cool Feel and blue Cool Feel material, so it will not get hot, so don't let the black fool you. This will stay nice and cool all summer long for you. This boat's equipped with the Z4 racks, swivel in and out very easily, nice clamping racks, and it's the easy fold down tower. Over here in the command center here, we got the dual screen. Controls everything you want to do for surfing, wakeboarding, skiing. It's all just one touch control. And you got the new charging center right here for your phone, which is a really cool new feature. Stepping on through the boat here, we got the nice bow filler. Huge bow. You can sit 4 people up here very comfortably. You got the flip down armrests and got the front clip speakers up there for sound. We got the air down door that comes across here, hides away, nice billet built door. Easy fold windshield to keep all the cool air and wind out. Coming over here, this boat is equipped with heaters. So you got a heater vent here, also a heater vent here, a heater vent at your feet here when you're driving. Also, it has a heated passenger rear facing seat and a heated captain's chair. Comes up with the rear facing easy flip backrests on both sides, port and starboard. This boat comes equipped with a built-in cooler, so you can stow all your drinks away and not have them in the way. We went with the Decadence flooring. It's a very nice, comfortable flooring to walk on. It stays nice and cool, and also very easy to clean. And that's called the Decadence flooring. This boat also is equipped with the quick fender clips. Easy attach for your buoys in and out. This is our Mastercraft 2021 X24. Come and check this boat out. It's equipped with the 430 horsepower, 6.2 liter engine, 4,300 pounds of ballast. This thing leaves a great surf wave. Also just an awesome driving boat around the lake. Come and check us out at MarineMax@greenville.com or at the store right here in Greenville, or call us at 864-236-9005. Thank you so much.